Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. We're going to start on the daily, work down to the 1 hour. So, on the daily, we are looking for the end of this potential wave A, but the only thing that's really going to prove that for sure on this time frame is a breaker structure to the downside, which we do not have. There is a possibility this move down right here is just a pullback to this last move up. So, we always need to keep in mind the information that we know, and right now, all that we really know is that this wave from here to here is over. So pay very, very, very close attention to your Fibonacci levels, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So for me, if we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, which right now my structure is right here, then that definitely would be me stop looking for shorts, and I would definitely start looking for longs again. So I'm watching my Fib levels very closely. We're sitting at the 50%. If it breaks up there, then great. If not, anything I see to the upside possibly could just be a pullback within a downtrend until we do get that breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, telling me to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. If this right here really is the top of a wave A, it will go down, making lower lows, lower highs, and break this daily time frame structure. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked in down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.